Do you ever feel guilty for procrastinating, thinking you're lazy, even though deep down you know you're capable? You're not lazy. In 2025, mental overload is one of the most overlooked reasons why people struggle to focus, finish tasks, or take action. Sign 1. You're constantly distracted. Your mind jumps from task to task, social media, and notifications. This isn't laziness. It's mental exhaustion. Your brain is overloaded and can't focus on one task at a time. Sign 2. You overthink every decision. You spend more time analyzing than acting. Overthinking is mentally draining, making it feel like inaction is laziness when really it's your brain trying to manage too much information. Sign 3. Tasks feel insurmountable. Even small tasks seem huge. That's a sign your cognitive load is too high. When your mind is overwhelmed, you need mental rest, not guilt. Sign 4. You avoid social interaction sometimes. Mentally overloaded people need alone time to recharge. Avoiding interaction doesn't mean laziness. It's self-preservation. Sign 5. You feel burnout, not unmotivated. Deep down, you want to act, but your energy is spent on constant thinking, stress, or multitasking. Recognizing mental overload is the first step to regaining control. The solution? Prioritize, take breaks, simplify your environment, and focus on one task at a time. Mental clarity is your best tool in 2025's fast-paced, distraction-heavy world. If this video helped you understand yourself better, subscribe for more psychology tips and strategies to reclaim focus, energy, and motivation.